Construction crews break ground on a new state-of-the-art sports complex in Galena, Kansas. The new facility is being built by MVP Athletics. Inside, the training facility will have 22,000 square feet used for volleyball and basketball courts and an indoor soccer field. There will also be 12,000 square feet of space outside for baseball and soccer fields, and possibly more. The city's two existing baseball fields will also be renovated by the private group. Backers say the facility is about more than just sports.
It's not just about a place to go and hit a ball or to throw a ball or to catch a ball. It's about culture. And we want to teach parents how to be great fans. We want to teach kids how to be the best athlete they can be. And we think that the MVP Athletics facility will do that.
The project will cost MVP Athletics about $800,000 to complete. All the land was donated by the city. They hope to have it finished and ready to use in May. That is a look at our top stories. Quick check of the weather.